Behind one of these doors is an architectural fantasy land and perhaps a new way of looking at the future.
Welcome to my favourite part of the house.
Okay, I love a good reveal.
Welcome to the chapel, mate.
Oh, wow.
This is a room with a view.
The surprises start.
This is extraordinary.
And then there's this beautiful moment.
I think great architecture can take you somewhere else.
Where are you taking me?
Always having a connection with nature is really important when you're designing apartment homes.
There is some serious engineering keeping you up.
This isn't your typical retirement village.
So this is not only a dining table, it's actually your cooktop.
Correct. This is my passion project. I love telling people about it.
It showcases 67,000 years of connection.
I would say the ceiling is the real hero here.
There's lovely little discoveries like this as well.
Did I just walk through the old front door?
You did. Gone are the days of the Australian dream of a quarter block and a petrol lawnmower with a picket fence.
What a beautiful staircase.
People come in and just go, wow, what is this place?
We want to throw it open, we want to peel it apart, see what we are, celebrate who we are. You've created a little concrete cocoon.
We had a long engagement with Wurundjeri elders, and it's about representing culture in the stadium.
This place transforms after dark.
Just a simple shading device allows us to control the sun.
Tricky, just to keep us on our toes.
Two architects heading onto a footy stadium, what could possibly go wrong?
If you want to save the world, you should become an architect. It's going to take you places.
Let it rust, I say.
You always try and do ordinary things beautifully.
It's a mathematical representation of nature.
Yin and yang, the balance of life, the black, the white, the positive, the negative.
This is so cool.
It's a perfect balance of style, comfort, sophistication.
It's an international architectural fruit salad.
It is.
This design is not blah.
Notblah.com. I'll put that on my website.
This is what architecture is all about, making people's lives just that little bit better.